Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your laptop is not turning on and it's gonna be for MSI Thin A15. To turn it on, of course, you need to press on the power button, which is here on the top chassis, right here. If you press on it and your laptop doesn't turn on, then try pressing and holding. It may help. If it still doesn't help, then you may need to plug in the charger. Maybe your laptop has been discharged. So the charger, I have it here. You need to plug it in on the left side of your laptop and it will start charging. Then repeat the previous steps, and if it doesn't help, then you may need to leave your laptop charging for a while to have it charged to at least like 20% to make it run. Maybe if it's at zero and plugged in, it won't run until it's charged to at least like 20 or 30%, especially when it's been exposed to a cold environment. Then you for sure shouldn't just turn it on right away or plug it into the wall. You should, if your laptop is really cold, you should leave it in a warm environment for like a few hours even, and then you may plug it in and run. Of course, sometimes you need to, after plugging in, wait maybe even half an hour or an hour, depending on the speed of the charging. Also make sure that your charger is genuine, because non-genuine chargers may break easily, and if they are broken, then they will not charge it. Sometimes even the original genuine chargers may break, and if you have a friend that has an MSI laptop, then you can use their charger to check if it's the charger's fault. Also, you may try plugging it into a different socket, and if nothing of that helps, then most probably you will need to take it to a technician. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.